Hi Taurus, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Okay. Taurus, please excuse all the noises that are coming from outside because my room is not soundproof. Extremely sorry about that. Taurus, the card at the bottom of the deck is Page of Pentacles. Could be your energies or the energies of your partner or anyone that you're thinking about. Taurus, for you, I feel there was a major ending that happened, and that has left you thinking about how people manipulated you and how they took advantage of your feelings, how you got played basically. But I feel in the near future, you are going to be getting some kind of an offer. Now, this offer could be a new job for some of you or a new relationship. Somebody wants to offer you a new beginning. I feel most of you will be getting a new offer when it comes to a romantic relationship since we have the Four of Cups over here. You guys are now trying to focus more on your finances, on things that truly matter and have a good return on investment. You know, like you invested in people, but it did not turn out to be in your best. Um, it did not turn out to be the best for you. You had to move on from something, someone, a situation, a relationship. For some of you, it could have been a place that you had to just move out of. Probably you were living it with somebody. But I feel, Taurus, you still have hope of a new beginning when it comes to romantic love. Even though you were run over by somebody's careless feelings towards you, somebody's callousness. But Taurus, I feel you still have hope. And trust me, in the near future, I feel around the mid of February, you might be getting a lot of communication from somebody who, this person who wants to offer you something new and who sees the potential in you. They see what a loyal person you could be. And, people out there are looking for great relationships. And Taurus, you have the capability of turning any relationship into a great one. So, yes, you will be finding yourself taking this leap of faith into a beautiful relationship that is awaiting you. But right now, you need to go through something so that you can be uh, ready for this new commitment. Yeah, because see, right now, you are still sitting on a fence thinking about the past person. Even though you want to move on, there's something that keeps holding you back. Some of you could be resorting to substance abuse. See, I mentioned sitting on a fence, and this is where you are stuck in a dilemma of how to move forward without regretting what happened in the past. You're still looking at spilt milk. You've got the 4 and 5 of cups. Yeah, Taurus, you feel burdened. You feel as if things were just so good with somebody, or you thought they were, and now everything has just come crumbling down, or it happened in the recent past, so the wounds are pretty fresh. But Taurus, you are moving on. You're really strong, and yeah, see, I said strong, and the strength card came out. You are finally gaining that confidence and the strength to pick yourself up and go face first into a new relationship. But now you know what you don't want, which is a great sign of progress. Because sometimes, like most of the times, we know what we want in a person, but we forget what we don't want. So when the don't wants come in, we are just okay with settling. You know? Yeah, you've got two kings. If you're a girl, if you're a woman, there could be two people who you are looking at, or who are looking at you because they see the potential that you have, and they see the kind of aura that you carry with you. Yeah, somebody wants to offer you a new beginning, Taurus, and it could be a Cancer Scorpio person or a Pisces person. I'm getting a Leo and Gemini as well. Whatever blockages that you were going through right now, Taurus, all this while, January and the whole of 2020, all those blockages are getting cleared because suddenly there is this wave of love and compassion towards you. Whatever you were willing to give the other person, somebody else is willing to give it to you, which is making you really happy and making you feel at peace. Yeah. Wow. Need I say anything else, Taurus? He or she is the one for you. This is the divine counterpart. You've got soulmate relationships happening for you. You've got new work, financial stability, emotional, spiritual stability, burdens getting out of your way, and you finally living the life that you always wanted. And moving on. Yes, you are physically, emotionally, mentally moving on, and something new is beginning in your life. Love is something that will have a spillover effect in each area of your life. So, if your heart is taken care of, every other aspect of your life will be taken care of as well. Cool. Oopsie. Five of Pentacles, Eight of Wands. You've got Eight of Wands twice. Lots of communication. Somebody is just not willing to sit back and watch you just be without them. They are finally going to be making that move, Taurus, to offer you this beautiful beginning because God knows you deserve it. Lots of communication coming your way, guys. You might feel a little stuck. You might feel as if you don't know what to. If there are two people involved, you might feel a little confused about who to choose, but go with your gut because that is your higher self guiding you. Never underestimate the power of your gut feeling. You've got the Sun card, the number 19, 8, 33, 35, 53 could be important. So you can look out for those. But it's all great. Once this love comes into your life, once you become absolutely receptive to new love, things are going to change. And how? You've got the Fool card twice. This love is something that is meant for you to happen. This leap of faith that you're going to be taking will not disappoint you. And you have lots of good news coming your way. You feel liberated, you'll feel at peace. You'll just feel as if you've come back home, Taurus. Yeah, you've got the Tower card twice. Major endings happened, major shakeups happen, but you're manifesting something amazing, Taurus. Taurus, let's see some extra messages for you. Now, these may or may not be directly related to your tarot. So take them however they resonate with you. Yes, you've got the wisdom, you've got the clarity, you've got this. If you're a man, you've got the love of your life in a woman that you least expected from. I think you know this person, and they just suddenly you see how beautiful they are, probably. I took the liberty of relating this card to the tarot. You can take it however you want. The letter A could be important, number 29 could be important. Okay. The situation will improve. Now is the perfect moment to dive in and embrace your heart's desire. This sounds like the Fool card, where you take that leap of faith. Take time to breathe out. Nothing is yet set in stone. Things, people, situations can always change. If there's a possibility of things going wrong, there's an equal possibility of things going right. And never forget that, guys. The end of a tough cycle approaches. You've got one full moon. And bring love into the situation. You've got a new moon. And adjustments are required. Make love to life. Feel the pleasure in the nature and surrender to the sweetness of your life. Yeah, no matter how tough our life seems now, Taurus, I'm sure there must be something that makes you happy. And if you can't think of it right now, I feel you should meditate and see what truly makes you feel in your elements. Because when you feel in your elements, you vibrate higher. And when you vibrate higher, you manifest faster. Physical and emotional healing is taking place right now, which is a great sign because that's what you need right now, Taurus. And I have a feeling when this new person comes into your life offering you this beautiful love connection, your heart will mend itself. Okay. Leap of faith. This is the third time a card, something like the Fool, has come out. You have to take this. This relationship is meant for you. The number 22 could be important. So keep a lookout for such numbers, whatever I've mentioned so far. Okay, you've got two cards. I chose love no matter what. I find a deeper meaning and personal growth amid the discomfort. Yeah, I mean, of course, there is always a lesson in whatever sufferings that we go through. So take the meaning, detach from the event, but always remember the lesson. I want to dedicate this beautiful amethyst crystal to you so that you can feel the love, the clarity, and the confidence to move ahead with this beautiful soulmate relationship. And I hope 2021 treats you with utmost love, respect, and kindness and gives you a million reasons to smile, Taurus. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.